Starting today, I will change my name and switch to another game engine. Hello world from Hello World, this is Gee Dee, your Godot teacher from the hell. This is Monoh, your Unity teacher from the hell. Unity has announced their new pricing plans, and it is the hottest topic in the community. In one word, on September 12th, 2023, Unity announced a very creative price plan that charges for each download from the app stores. Whenever a user downloads a game, even if they never play it, the developer still needs to pay for each download. If you're not subscribed to the Unity license, you have to pay 20 cents per download. 20 cents per download! Not a certain percentage of revenue, but per download. This incredible announcement has set the community on fire. The developer who made the Cult of the Lamb announced they will delete the game when the new pricing is applied. In a sleuth, the game studio that developed Among Us warned that they will port their games to different engines if the new pricing plan is applied. No Breaks Games, who developed Humans Were Flat, also questioned Unity's decision. This is a very interesting decision for them to make because I believe it will affect small studios with casual games the most. Okay, they have lower boundaries, so basically Unity has decided to charge games that made more than 200,000 in revenue over the last year and meet the in-store threshold of 200,000 times for Unity Personal and Unity Plus license. $1 million revenue and 1 million downloads for the studios using Unity Pro license. Unity claims that 90% of all products will not meet these conditions, so it won't be a huge deal for most studios and indie game developers. Yeah, that still leaves 10% of all developers, which will be almost all the actual games made with Unity who are successful enough to earn money. Okay, huge games with bunch of earnings such as Genshin would not be affected that much. I will still cost them some money, but they are much more, so it won't be a burden for them. Also, for the industry side of Unity, they won't suffer that much since industrial fields don't have millions of customers. The industry has a more focused and targeted user group. But the interesting thing is that Unity is quite often used by small studios making casual and hyper-casual games. Unity's functionality focuses on gaming features, and their strength lies in providing interfaces to make a game in a short period of time. Why would you kill your most friendly friends? Since the entire Unity community and also the game developer community is against the new pricing policy, Unity keeps editing their answers. Yesterday, they answered that downloads by the same user after deleting the game would be charged the same, but now they changed their answers. If they stick to their decision, Unity will lose their developers quite quickly, as game studios have to recalculate their profits and will definitely affect their decisions. I personally don't want Unity to die because I like Unity in many aspects. If I didn't, I wouldn't run such a YouTube channel. Yes, Unity wasn't making much profit. I can understand they want to change their pricing model, but I think instead of making a smart decision, I feel like they decided to wipe out their biggest target developer groups. Don't make me change my name. I hope Unity listens to their users and changes their pricing plans and find a better way to get more. So today, I talked about Unity's new pricing policy, which will be applied on next year. If you liked my video, please press like button and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video, hopefully with happier topics. See you in the next video.